Hey guys, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. So here I am in my HOBONICHI cousin for the week of February 21st through the 27th. And this is what last week looked like using the deco. I believe it's the Juliet deco from Let's Plan It. And I think it's just gorgeous. I love how neutral it is, but still festive for Valentine's Day. So for this week, I will actually be using these Love Bloom stickers from According to Ally. I'm going to add in some blush alcohol ink, maybe some of my Hearts Functionals, and maybe some boxes from another sticker book or a Happy Planner sticker book. Let's get started. I was trying to decide what would be the best washi to use up at the top because the gray seems to, I was going to say it again, the gray feels more blue in this than this. I mean, I could put this all up at the top, but would that be too much? I don't know. No, I don't think so. I think the two would work really, really well together. So, it's better than last week's washi. I'm glad to know that I'm not the only one who feels that way about washi like that. I like washi like this, that it's actual tape, not extra that you have to peel off. Anyway, so this hexagon washi is from According to Ally, and I feel like this would go with pretty much anything. This is why I like it so much. There we go. And I am not really too bothered about the fact that it doesn't go all the way to the edge. Okay, I need to remember that. So then I'm going to put down one of these florals. I bought 2 sheets of these florals because I knew that one, I love them, and 2, that I'm going to need them for my journaling spreads as well. So I'm going to place one in this bottom corner here. Then I'm going to add this. I was going to say add this as the week goes, but I feel like if I just add this here, I honestly don't mind covering up the dates because I know what day of the week it is. And I'm going to leave that for now because I'm probably going to put another floral in this area, but I'm going to go ahead and zoom in and then do my sleep score and my workouts for next week. Here we go. So I really actually enjoy decorating the HOBONICHI cousin because it is easy for me. Like I don't need to cover the whole page with a ton of stickers. For me, it's about the functionality of it, but also I really enjoy writing in my HOBONICHI cousin with my fountain pen. And this week I am using my Cross Botanica green Daylily fountain pen. This is a gift from my dad, and it's a really, really pretty pen. And it currently has inked in it Herbin Rouille. I can never say that, and I took French when I was growing up, but my accent is terrible. So I'm just drawing in the graph here, and oh, there's Lucy. I'm in the basement and she's actually barking right outside the basement window. But this is what the graph will look like when it is filled in. So I fill in the hours as well as the sleep score that I get from my Fitbit. Then underneath that, I'm going to put in my workout schedule using my Tombow Fudonosuke for brush lettering. I really need to buy more of these. I'm sorry if you can hear Lucy. And this week I did get back into working out and doing the strength training, so that has been really nice actually. I am still taking it easy though. I'm not going like full out, really pushing myself to really, really heavy weights. Oh, she's barking at the dog next door. Like she's literally about 10 feet away from us, if you can hear her. So the workout that I'm doing is called Lift 4, and it is through Beachbody, and I've had a membership with Beachbody for a little over a year now, and I really like it because of their structured programs, and that they have different programs for basically any level of fitness, which is why I really like it. But Of all the programs that I've tried, Lift 4 is my favorite. Okay, so then I'm gonna move into, whoops, the rest of the days here, and I'm gonna start writing in work and drawing in the arrows as well. Then going in with my Tombow Fudenosuke pen to write in work. Then actually for, what day is that? Monday is a day off. Hi, Lucy. Day off. Her favorite toy, you guys can hear her growling in the background. Her favorite toy is currently a broom, not like a full-size broom, but like the hand sweeper broom thing. Oh my gosh. Okay. And then I'm actually going to go ahead and write in that I have to pick up the children at certain times, because if you guys are anything like me, I will forget. And then writing in pick up kids with my Tombow Fudenosuke pen. I do have stickers for this, but I actually really enjoy being able to brush letter this in my planner. Okay, then on Monday I know I have a to-do list here, so I'm going to use my pink. Thing is, I have no idea what our plans are going to be on the Monday, and I don't want to add anything without really knowing what we're doing just yet. But I do know that on the Mondays I have to, let's put this down. So I'm going to just put this here and then write in my to-do. Some of you might think that this ink is really light, but it dries such a beautiful, beautiful color. Okay, what am I gonna do next? I'm going to, down at the bottom of this spread here, I'm then going to do the headings for meals and then write in breakfast, lunch, and dinner. I actually really enjoy being able to put my meals down here, and it's such a small space to do it, but there's just enough room for me to be able to just put in my basic meals and snacks here. Then I'm gonna go in with just the Tombow Fudenosuke pen and write BLD. Breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Okay, so the next thing I am going to be doing is then taking some emojis and spreading them around, because emojis are always fun. So I'm gonna zoom out a little bit. So let's see. Tuesday night is when my husband puts out the garbages. So I'm gonna put that here. And I do practice with my Tombow Fudenosuke every chance I can get. And I do have to remember that Lucy has a grooming on Tuesday. She's got a lot coming up, poor dog. She's got her grooming, and then she has a very important appointment coming up soon. So let's see. Thought I had a grooming sticker. Guess not. So we'll just use this one. And this is from Coffee Monsters Co. Then on Saturday, Henry has his wall climbing, so I'll use a pink one here. He has wall climbing from 8:30 to 10. I haven't scheduled Robin's archery yet, so I haven't put that in here. Then in the evening, gosh, I have great plans for Saturday night. Saturday night is the time I normally do laundry. Ooh, guys, I know you're so jealous. Actually, I'll use both of these, so I will fold laundry, let's say around that time. And that is a sticker from Paper Bits Co. But then I also have my team happy hour little line emoji. So this will be from basically 7 to 8. And Sunday is our usual cleaning day, so I'm going to take another sticker from Paper Bits Co. I never look that happy when I'm cleaning. So, that here. And I love her because she just looks like me. And we'll do bed linens. One thing I forgot to write down is that I do have some filming to do. So let's find a good filming sticker. You know, just a planning sticker, this cute little one. I know I have one that's already been used. So I hate starting a new, there we go. I hate starting a new sticker sheet if I know that there has been one that is still not finished. So to film. And then I'm going to move this up just a bit, but there is a little bit of space down here that I could add a little bit more washi, but I also have this alcohol ink. Now, I obviously don't want to overload it with stuff, or do I? Yeah, because if anything, if I have stuff to write in there, and I'm normally not awake past 11, so it's not a big deal. Place it here. I'm going to add a little bit more of this washi because it's just stunning. And then I have a second sheet here with, I feel like it needs to be a really tiny floral. I don't want to add a huge one. Okay, let's do this tiny floral. And it's not even tiny. I love the size of Allie's florals. That might work. So let's lift this up. And I'm normally very weary of lifting anything up off of the... Oh, that is cute. Okay, I think I know what I'm gonna do. Put that washi down there, and I don't mind if it goes over the page a bit. Okay, I'm gonna actually, I said that I didn't mind if it went over the page a little bit, but I do mind now that I see it. So just, okay. Oh, I love that. Love that. So there is my overall finished spread. I love how that came together. Absolutely love it. And I know I'm gonna probably add a sticker on top of this to write what movie Rob watched and what movie we watched there. But the basis of this, I'm just absolutely in love with this spread. All right, but that is it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Oh crap. Oh, I hate when I do that. Oh, what was I saying? If you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a great day.